Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'm trying out a new setup. As you can see, the camera is above to unbox a 4K Pro webcam from Logitech with Right Light 3 and HDR. Go ahead, check out the link. It'll be in my video description below. It'll take you to Amazon. You can read reviews, check the most current price, stay up to date on everything from the manufacturer right on Amazon. Go ahead, check it out. Thank you very much. Here is the retail packaging. It's pretty sweet, pretty straightforward. Nice color scheme we got going on, great product photography. To download camera setting software for this product, please visit Logitech. So really cool, compatible with Windows 8, Windows 10, Mac, Skype for Business, Cisco compatible, lots of stuff. So this has Ultra HD 4K image sensor support, which is really cool. So it's just in a newest, advanced, probably one of the best webcams there is right now out there on the market. Great for streaming, that sort of thing, which is what I'll be using it for a little while at least. So yeah, really excited about it. Here it is, going to be a big upgrade from what I currently am using. Hey guys, Digital David here. I'm trying out a new setup. So we're going to be unboxing the Logitech 4K Pro webcam today. Go ahead, go to the video description below, check out the product link. It'll take you right to Amazon so you can check this out for yourself. It's the Logitech 4K Pro webcam with Right Light 3 and HDR support. Really excited for this, really cool packaging. A lot of details on the back of what it offers, HDR, that sort of thing, 4K, Ultra Sense, and Ultra Secure, a bunch of other stuff. So really cool, great packaging again, nice product photography, nice color scheme. Logitech's got cool branding, lots of stuff in foreign languages. System requirements, Windows, Mac compatible, Skype for Business, Cisco. So now we're just gonna jump right in and open it up. All right, finally got it open. That box was really hard for me to open and I totally shredded it. But here we go. Sweet, look at that. Really, really cool. Pretty spectacular to see the Logitech webcam right there. So that's the first thing out of the box, is the webcam itself. Looks pretty cool, very similar to the current Logitech one I use. Obviously it's gonna have 4K support. And inside, what do we have? We have a USB 3.0 to USB-C cable. This looks like a travel bag. Some sort of carrying case, travel bag. So that's nice. So you can actually put the whole camera in here too. We have how to set it up. Plug in your computer. Cool. Here is a privacy screenshot, or whatever you want to call that, for your webcam, so nobody can be spying on you. Nice USB 3.0 USB-C cable. I'm glad that they have the USB-C adapter and for the camera, because my computer does not have USB-C ports. It does have plenty of USB 3.0 ports. Looks like a decently sized cable as well. I'm gonna guess probably at least 6 feet, which is good. So if you have a desktop or something along those lines, you'll be able to, yeah, definitely gonna at least be a 6-foot cable, which is really nice. And then we have some warranty information in a bunch of different languages for you. And we'll just kind of show the privacy shutter in place. So it fits right on there and you can cover your stuff up. Nice hinge, really well designed, comes right off too. And then we can take some of this out of its plastic. So yeah, it looks really cool. I actually just realized it does not have, mine currently has a tripod adapter for it right here. This one does not appear to, unless I'm missing it somewhere, and I do not think I am. So that is just something interesting to point out, that I noticed that it doesn't have a way to mount it on a tripod. But it's a really cool webcam, really spectacular, looks awesome. Can't wait to fire it up and start using it for some videos for you guys. So thank you so much for watching. Link to this is in the product video description below. It'll take you right to the product link. Hit the sub button if you haven't, like, comment, share, that sort of thing. I love to interact with you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks.